Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you what can be the prices of gold, or what can be the prices of gold in the next week, or what are the supports, resistance point, and how we can analyze the price of gold. See, today in my previous video I have already suggested you that if the price of gold goes above 1826 to 1835, if it crosses 1835, then you can see a level of 1870, which we have seen at this level, where I have suggested at this level, and it has gone to 1872, okay, and touched and came down. So now after that, what I have suggested, that if the price of that comes below 44 or 46, then you can take this as a support and can trade uh, in an upward direction. But the movement was pretty good and the support didn't reach. So now what I'm suggesting you, then you should take 1849 as support 1. Okay, if the price uh, of the gold comes below, this should be treated as 2, this should be treated as 1, 1854. Okay, 1854 is treated as support 1, because the price, the interest rate increased by the US, so which is, because of that, the price of the gold is coming down. Okay, the thing is, see, if the level, it has already been so low, now I suggest that the the market will not, the price of gold will not go below this. See, it has gone to 1801. This, it's a 1 month chart. You can see this is the level where it has gone. I have already told you that if you should not be buying at this level. Okay, if you are looking for a longer view, then whatever dip happens, you could have bought. Means, suppose if the dip is at this level, you should have bought at this level, because you are looking for a longer view, which is around for 3 to 5 years or even more. The price of gold will be up, I know. That's my view. It can go high for 3-4 years, 5 years, if you look at, because if you look at 5 years chart, see, 5 years chart, the price of gold, see, the increase in is from 1100 to 2k, doubled. It doubled. You getting me? From November 18th to 2020, August 20, the price of gold doubled there. So this is what I'm suggesting, that the price of gold, if you are looking for a longer view, suppose 3 to 5 years, then there is chances the price of gold will go up. So you can buy at the dip. But this is my personal view. You can buy whenever. I'm just making this video in order to educate you, or in order to tell you what are the points, resistance point, where you can check your trades and you can buy. If you are looking for a shorter view, longer view, I would suggest you can buy at any point of time, because the gold price anyways will go up. That's what I feel. Okay, so now the price of gold is in this particular range. So I have suggested 1854 you can take as a support 1, 1849 you can take as support 2. If this level is broken, then you can take 1823 as your support. But I feel 1835, it will not go below 1835 for a week. Okay, so you can take 1854 for support, second support, and 35 as support, where you can, if you are shorter term investor, you can sell it. So now I will tell you some of the resistance point. See, 1859 is a good resistance point Okay, so after that I feel that the gold price can reach to 1864. If that level is also crossed, then there is chances it can go to 1872 to 75. Okay, so it can go to 1872 75. So what I would suggest, that if the trend is in, see, I'll show you. See, it is moving in this particular range, particularly in this particular range. So treating this, if it is, if 1858 61 is crossed, then there are high chances it can touch to 1867. Okay, then it can 71, and there are high chances it can touch to 1877. So these are some support points. The resistance point I have already told you, 1862, 1861 or 2, 1867 and 1871 and 1877. Okay, so if it cross this level, but what I am suggesting you, 1854 you should take as a support 1, 1849 support 2, and 1835 support 3. Okay, at this level. So this you have to understand. If the market goes come below at this point of time, if it cross this level, then you can buy and sell accordingly. If resistance break, then you can buy. If the low support breaks, then you can sell your position and square. If you are looking for an intraday or a weekly thing. Okay, my views are strictly for this views are strictly for intradays, and for longer view I am suggesting you can buy at any dip. Okay, if you are looking for 3 to 5 years or even more, 10 years. Okay, so now I have told you the resistance support point. See, I'll tell you how you can understand the chart. See, at this level, the price of gold is in this particular range. Okay, 1872, it's moving in this particular range. Okay, it has come to 1800 also, but that is in 18 January 21. Okay, so now we should always look at the support point. If it comes below 1835, then you should exit your position, then we can enter again. But I would prefer you should not be buying if you are looking for a shorter view at below this level. Okay, once the range is broken 1863, then there is chances that it can come to 1875, then to 1895, and after that I would suggest it can come to 1900. So this is what I'm telling you. If the once the range is broken, and I feel it can come in a month or so, it can go up, because the trend is, if you look at that longer view, the trend is up. See, at this level the trend is up. So I would suggest you should be looking at this level. So this is I have told you resistance and support point for this thing. Okay, and I have told you where to buy, where to sell. Okay, always look for, if you are in profit for the day, you should exit. Okay, if you are day limit loss is done, suppose your day limit is $100 or something, $200, okay, or $50, okay, or Indian rupees in 2k, 5k, your day limit, then you should exit the position for a day. Then you can trade again a different position. This is what I meant. Or once the SL is touched, then what you should do, you should exit the position, then we can enter again if our trade comes. This is where how you have to do risk management. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.